Hi guys, welcome you all. Now, from this class, in this video, we will see the practical problem related to the calculation of custom duty payable and custom duty payable. And the first step is what? Calculation of assessable value. Now, in order to calculate the assessable value, what is required? That is FOB plus freight plus insurance. ಈ ಮೂರು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So this called as what? Cost, insurance, freight, or transaction value or assessable value. Now, first step is what? There is a calculation of assessable value under section 14 of Customs Act 1962. Right now, see with the problem number 1. Compute the assessable value from the following information. A machine has been imported from the UK through air. So earlier ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಪಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Make it changes from UK, United Kingdom, or Britain, England. ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So it is imported from UK. It is a foreign country. Next, through which transport? That is through air. Air ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾಗ you have to remember that is freight calculation will be given amount or 20% on FOB. So that's why air is important. Give problem ali air anta kottidre important. Make it down, underline. Next, now for that we have to calculate the assessable value. See all the information. First one is FOB value of machine 500 UK pound. FOB, it is not fully FOB, it is partial. For that we have to add again the missed out item, that is another other cost, that is FOB. Take here in the assessable value. Next, design and development charges, that is 500 UK pound, add to FOB in order to calculate the adjusted FOB. Commission and brokerage 200 UK pound. Any commission except buying commission can be added to the FOB. Right? Add that commission and brokerage which is paid in UK pound to the FOB in order to calculate adjusted FOB. Next, packing charges. It is also cost related to the product, added to the FOB. Next one, freight and transport from airport to factory godown. Here, when it comes to calculation of FOB, freight and insurance, from only to the exporter godown or factory or company till the importer port, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಈ ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Other than that we should not include. That is freight and transport from airport to factory godown, means from Indian port to the factory godown. It is not attract the custom duty. Ignore it. Suppose if it is already included, minus it. Once again, the any cost from manufacturing area to the import port ವರೆಗೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ assessable value. Next one, freight paid in UK pound. It is a transport from exporter port to the importer port, add to the FOB, adjusted FOB ಗೆ freight na add ಮಾಡಿ, but which amount? Take the actual amount which is given in the problem and compare with the 20% amount on FOB. For example, in this problem, freight given amount is 2200 or 20% on adjusted FOB. That will calculate and we will going to compare which will be the lesser that will be added to the FOB. And the next one is insurance premium paid but not included. Insurance premium, that is added to the FOB. FOB ಗೆ add ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫುಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. If it is not given, calculate 1.125% on adjusted FOB. Next one, the exchange rate given by RBI 1 UK pound is 68 rupees. Don't consider. Only CBIC, Central Board of Indirect Tax and Customs, notified rate will be taken for the calculation. Next one, exchange rate given by CBIC 1 UK pound is 72 rupees. Take 72 rupees as what? Exchange rate, not as by RBI amount. Right? Now with this information, calculate the assessable value. Now Go with the first step number 1, that is a calculation of assessable value under section 14 of Customs Act 1962. Format particulars. Take the foreign currency amount. If it is UK, here in this problem UK pound, UK. Suppose in another problem if you get US dollar, right? US dollar. Then converted amount UK pound into per UK. Yes to Indian rupees irutte adna ee column barita okay. Now in this problem what is the exchange rate? 1 UK pound is equal to 72 rupees. Now start with the calculation of assessable value. For that again first we have to calculate what? Adjusted FOB. Adjusted FOB is equal to FOB given in the problem. What is our given FOB? That is 500 UK pound. 500 UK pound. 500 into 72 and amount is 3,60,000 is in Indian currency FOB plus add certain cost which is not included in FOB in order to know the exact FOB, that is a design and development charges. Amount 500 UK pound, convert to Indian rupees 36,000. Next, packing charge, commission and brokerage. Commission and brokerage. Commission and brokerage other than buying and commission we can include. So what is the amount? 200 UK pound, convert to Indian rupees, that is 1,44,000. Sorry, 14,400, not 1,44,000, 14,400. Next one, packing charges. 100 UK pound, convert to Indian rupees 7,200. By adding all this, you will get one subtotal amount that is called as adjusted FOB, or we can call it revised FOB. Once again, given FOB amount in the problem, add all the cost which is not included to FOB. 5,500, 200 and 100, it is all in UK pound. 5,800 into 72 or add all this amount, 4,17,600. It is adjusted FOB. Now for this we have to add freight amount. Freight, since the import taken place through air, the calculation need to be done. Freight or transport actual amount given in the problem, that is 2,200 or 20% on adjusted FOB. Adjusted FOB 5,800 into 20%, that is 1,160 is the 20% FOB. Whichever is less, that will be taken for the freight amount. 1,160 is a less lower amount into 72 per UK, then we can convert to Indian rupees 83,520 rupees. Next, add to this insurance. If it is given in the problem, take direct amount, full amount. If it is not given, calculate insurance at 1.125% on adjusted FOB. Adjusted FOB is how much? 5,800 into 1.125%, that is 65.25 UK pound. Convert to Indian rupees 4,698 rupees. So this is with the cost, that is FOB value plus freight and insurance. All this will be added, that is called as cost, insurance, freight plus or transaction value value or accessible value of the imported goods. The total dollars UK pound is 7,025.25 and convert to Indian rupees, that is 5,5,818 amount, 5,05,818, that is called total accessible value. Once again, very simple problem. So given in the problem, take the FOB, add all the addable item and plus add freight and insurance. If the freight is given in the problem and if it is imported by air, calculate 20% on FOB value or given amount, whichever is less, that take amount, and insurance if it is given take direct amount or calculate 1.125% on adjusted FOB and add this amount to the adjusted FOB, then the final amount will be called as what? Accessible value. Right? A very simple problem. Go through this, then you can able to understand. And I will go to share the photocopy of the solved problem that you can able to see and you can solve the problem. And in the last I have given the note for each and every problem how to treat with the special adjustment. So go through that. Thank you. In the next I will start with the problem number 2.